Alright, my name is Koraima Esparza and my field is the electrician field. I would definitely say to go through this program. Anybody who's looking into, any of these blue collar fields, to definitely go through KVT. Just the whole hybrid, the fact that you're doing, in person, in labs, and you're doing it online, and you're doing the virtual reality. It's really helpful. I feel like I'm going out of here really prepared for the next step to come. What I can say that makes me the happiest is the fact that this program gave me, I feel like David in particular, like the owner of KVT, like he saw something in me and he opened up this program and was able to help me get into this program along with a couple others like Leola and Dars, but he was able to get me into this program, and I think that I've learned so much and I actually learned to like it. To be honest, I came into this field just because of my background, because I can't get into just any job that pays good because of the felonies that I have in my background. So I chose blue collar, and I did it just to do it. And with KVT, I learned to actually like the field and to like what I'm doing. And all it's done is encourage me to want to do more and to maybe even become a master electrician one day or own my own electrician company. The online learning was definitely really dope for me. I'm a single mom. I have 2 kids and I'm a working mom, so I was also working as well as doing the program and taking care of my children. And it's been great because I've been able to, do my classes. It's pretty much like a hybrid approach, so I can do it whenever I have time, which is really good because it's not like something where I can go to class like every day from 9 to 5 or from 3 to 6, it's something where I can do it at 1 in the morning if that's the time, I have my kids in bed and I have free time. So the online approach was definitely really helpful for me, and I think with all the different courses that were online, it was definitely repetition, like it said or did the same things, but all that's done is I feel like now more experience, and when I do go out there I'll know a little bit more of what I'm doing. So I really like the online approach. You're working out on the field or in a landmine or doing something where if I just went out and touched some wires, I'm definitely going to electrocute myself, but doing it through the simulations, I'm getting the practice, and it feels like I'm actually really doing it, like I'm really in the home doing it or in the building doing it or really touching wires, so it was really cool. The hands-on learning. Definitely want to say that Catherine was great. She was dope, and I definitely loved how it was another woman teaching me, so it kind of gave me hopes, I guess you could say, when I first started. But the kids were definitely really good. I like that I worked a lot on 3-way switches and 4-way switches, and actually I started doing the kids first and before the online, so once I went through the module that was like the 3-way switches, I knew exactly what it was, so I thought it was pretty cool like that. I got that really good understanding and that practice of touching wires. And another good thing was I was able to learn that I could just still do it with my nails, because I do like to get my nails done, so the fact that I was able to still do the kits and work with wires and the tools with my nails was cool.